How to add new customers. First, open your ClearTask Solutions dashboard. Drop down the Content Management menu and click on Customers. In the top middle, you'll see where it says Add Customer. Put in the customer's name, and their phone number. You can add their fax number if you'd like, and you can also add their location, either by typing it in or scrolling down to the map and finding the location there. Simply click on the pin drop to add that to your customer location. You can add notes, and when you're finished, click on Save. You can also add customers in bulk. Go up to the top right corner and click on Bulk Upload. Here you'll see where you can add their name, notes, office phone number, fax number, and their location. The most important information you'll need at this time is their name and phone number. If you need to add more than 10 customers at a time, you can continue to add 5 rows, or you can also remove 5 rows if you need fewer rows. Once you enter in the information you need, go to the bottom and click on Save. Adding customers is that easy and fast.